Dear students, today's lesson will build on our previous lessons. Today we will be seeing how to prove that the angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. If you remember well, in our last lesson we discussed how to prove that the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, and today is going to be a follow-up of that lesson. So let me write down the title. We're continuing our topics, parallel lines and angles. Our objective for today is going to be, by the end of the lesson, you'll learn how to prove that the sum of the interior angles of any quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. That's going to be our objective for this lesson. I'm going to start immediately. So let's consider a quadrilateral. We've got a quadrilateral there having 4 vertices, 4 sides, A, B, C, D. Now, I'm going to prove that the 4 angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, make up to 360 degrees. Now, as you can see, if I divide that quadrilateral into two triangles, I have formed, I'll draw line BD, and as you can see, I have formed, this forms 2 triangles. So now we have the shape is made up of 2 triangles. Okay, we have triangle ABD and we have triangle BCD. Now, the sum of the angles of triangle ABD, as we have seen yesterday, the sum of the angles of triangle ABD is 180 degrees. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle, they make 180 degrees. Similarly, the sum of the angles of BCD also make 180 degrees because they are angles in a triangle. So this angle, this angle, and this angle, they make up 180 degrees. So the sum of the interior angles is 180 times 2 triangles, and that's equal to 360 degrees. And we have shown that the sum of the interior angles of any quadrilateral, because that is any quadrilateral, is always equal to 360 degrees. Now, how are we going to use that? We're going to work out a couple of examples. So, for example, I have this quadrilateral called PQRS. This is 92 degrees. This is 108 degrees. I have here 110 degrees. And I need to find x. Alright, so example number 1, I need to find x. So what am I going to do? I know that the sum of the interior angles, so 92 plus 108 plus 110 plus x, make 360 degrees. So adding these 3 together, I get 310 plus x is 360 degrees. Therefore, x is 360 minus 310, and that gives a value of 50 degrees. X is equal to 50 degrees. That's one example. Let's do another example. So example number 2. Again, I'm going to have another quadrilateral. Now this quadrilateral has this 4x, this is 2x, this is 6x, and this is 6x, and I need to find x. I need to find the value of x. I know there's only one fact which I need to remember, that the sum of the interior angles is up to 360 degrees. So I have 4x plus 6x plus 2x plus 6x is equal to 360 degrees. Adding these together, I get 4 and 6, 10, and 2, 12, and 6, 18. So 18x is 360. So x is 360 divided by 18. X is equal to 20 degrees. Okay, so this is how this information is going to be used. Hope you have understood the lesson. If you have any difficulties, please contact me. Have a nice day.